Good morning again, boys and girls. A whole lot of beating. You can see all the marks of where I hit. And it's finally off. New one's on. New brake hose. New pads, pins, all set and ready to go. Now, there's a little locking, there's a little locking bolt right here, which holds the caliper in place. So normally those just get all screwed up and you can never get them out. So far I'm 2 for 2 of getting them out. So I figured while I'm doing that, put the e-brake on. I'll come and try and get this one off at the same time. So I'm like, all right, cool. I can just go from wheel to wheel and get everything done. Can we see what happened when I tried to get it out? Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. Completely, someone over-tightened it at some point. I don't know when. I can't blame anybody specific, but somebody over-tightened it. So now I got to drill it out. Yay. Maybe Xander might have an idea or something because he's been helping me with this car. So who knows? But on that note, we're going to try and get this wheel done so I can start getting wheels and tires back on it for the back end. And we'll be good, guys. And what do we say?
Later.
Hi.
Hey.
So, Harbor Freight coming clutch. I have these Icon screw structures, which I really recommend. So basically, normally you would take the drill like on it, and it'll say 1/4 inch drill. So you drill it, and then you can screw these in. This one I just hammered in and turned, kind of like an impact driver. And then put a socket on it, and then
Now these are reverse threaded so that they go in the way you're supposed to get the screw out.
yeah. They make ones, Hartford doesn't make them, but I know they make ones.
What the hell's on it? Oh,
Loctite.
too much Loctite. Let me zoom in on that so we can show everybody.
Shouldn't be any Loctite at all.
Damn. You don't need that much on there. And that's what people don't seem to understand.
Yeah.
But okay, we're back to getting this wheel done. And then we'll get the wheels on both sides. And then we'll get the front done and get the wheels on that one. And we'll wait for our parts to do the front end and get the radiator, the hoses, and everything in that way. But on that note, what do we say?
Later.